how to share an Uber Eats order with someone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share an Uber Eats order with someone, whether you want to place a group order with friends or split the menu selection. Uber Eats make it super easy. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Uber Eats app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on any restaurant or food that you want to order to like you normally would. And now here, once you see the interface like this, just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen, and once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, just tap on group order, and after that on the new page, just tap on invite guest, and now Uber Eats will generate QR code link that you can copy the link and share the QR code with text messages, WhatsApp, email, or any messaging app. So here you can invite everyone to browse the menu and add item to the same cart from their own device, and you can even set spending limit per person. And now here, once everyone has added their item and you, the host, can review the final order, you can simply tap checkout and add your delivery address, payment method, and confirm the order. And here only the host pays unless you are using Uber for Business or split payments through a third party agreement. And that's it. That's how you can share an Uber Eats order with someone using the group order feature, which is perfect for family dinners, office lunches, and virtual food parties. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.